Hello my friends, today we have Maserati Ghibli, and the problem with this vehicle we have the temperature gauge on this vehicle was playing like up and down. When car is idling, the temperature goes suddenly down and then come back on its original temperature. So we diagnose on the tool, and we found a code about temperature coolant temperature sensor. So this is the part from Ferrari has same part. This is the part number from Ferrari, which has same part number on this Maserati. Also, I searched everywhere. I didn't find the location of a temperature sensor. I even go into all data. All data don't have Maserati at all. So we search, and finally we found the sensor was located behind the engine. So to reach the sensor, you have to open this bar, then you have to open wiper motor, then the cover on the wiper motor. After that, to remove this part, you have to pick the computer up, then you can reach to the sensor. The sensor is right behind the left head. So this is the sensor. This is the sensor we replaced. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel. By the way, this is 2014. Thank you very much.